Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Treehouse Learning, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Treehouse Learning website at learn.treehouse.com. Locate the sign up button, usually prominent on the home page. Click on the sign up button to proceed to the registration page. You will see different subscription plans available. Choose the plan that best suits your learning needs. Once you select a plan, click on the Get Started button. Fill in your email address in the provided field. Create a secure password that meets the specified requirements. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated box. If prompted, select any additional options, such as a free trial if available. Read through the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. Look for a confirmation email in your inbox from Treehouse Learning. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. After confirming your email, return to the Treehouse Learning website. Log in using your registered email address and password. Once logged in, explore the dashboard and available courses. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the platform features. You are now ready to start your learning journey with Treehouse. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.